Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's tap on device unlock and tap on fingerprint. Enter your screen lock to confirm everything, tap on OK, and here we've got here we have to tap on setup, and as you can see this is the fingerprint sensor, so let me put my finger on it, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. Try to catch every part of it for better recognition and know the sides. Alright, and tap on done. So this is the fingerprint section, that's the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, add another fingerprint, and we can decide whether we want to show the fingerprint icon on the screen. Alright, so now let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So here we've got the fingerprint sensor, let me put my finger on it, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.